Hello, my name is Allison. I live at Wonderland Bakery, the most enchanting and delicious bakery, where cupcakes, cookies, and cakes are deliciously real. Join me on my magical Wonderland Bakery adventure, which started a long time ago. When I was young, I would wake up early, sneak into the kitchen while my mommy and daddy were still sleeping, to bake and decorate. If I wasn't baking, I was dreaming about creating yummy desserts. Growing up, my parents encouraged me to follow my love, passion, and dream of baking, and do my homework too. As I got older, I won the Best Young Chef contest and attended a very famous cooking school. At school, I began dreaming about creating a place where I could bake desserts every day for my special friends like you, and it would feel like Wonderland. When I finished school, my mom helped me design my dream, Wonderland Bakery. Everything was enchanting. Fountain glowed with chocolate, sweet aroma of cupcakes and cakes baking, yummy walls made of icing, and everything was colorful, pretty, sparkly, and heavenly delicious. On opening day, our first customer was the mayor. He made a special cake to celebrate the city's 100th birthday. As you can imagine, a cake this grand took lots of creativity. We selected the finest ingredients from all around the world. The chocolate and caramel fountains worked overtime to create pools of sweetness. Sugar cookie ladders were constructed to decorate the top layers of the cake. We hopped on the Wonderland Bakery train and circled the cake with layers of yummy frosting and sprinkles. At the tip top of the cake, we placed our sparkling Wonderland Bakery design with 100 candles that glistened like diamonds. The mayor arrived and the celebration began. We sang Happy Birthday to you, blew out the candles, and gave first bite. The crowd was very quiet. Then suddenly, as if an explosion of sugar and frosting fireworks, everyone began to chant, Wonderland, Wonderlicious, Wonderland, Wonderlicious, Wonderland, Wonderlicious, Wonderland. The mayor was so happy, he gave us the official Sweet Tooth Bakery Award. Now, when anyone in our town has a sweet tooth or a celebration, they visit Wonderland Bakery, where every bite is enchanting. This is the story of how Wonderland Bakery began. I hope you enjoyed my sweet and delicious adventure of love,